Canada. For millennia, this was a vast, sparsely populated wilderness of forests and lakes, endless plains, and forbidding mountains. Until one day, they built a railway. Come on, baby. A 2,500-mile transcontinental railway. Look at this great view, Canada in the spring. I want to travel the entire length of it, to find out how, in just a few decades, it transformed Canada from a wilderness into one of the world's most powerful countries.
I love that whistle.
It's not going to be easy.
Do you ever feel in the way?
Because these days, freight is king.
You can't believe the scale of these freight trains. It's just giant.
Passenger trains are few and far between, but the ones that do run are some of the most spectacular on the planet.
Buckle up! Hang on! It's going to be quite an adventure!